The people in Canada have been super nice. They don't think I'm a dick because I'm from the United States. And they're way smarter than that. And they know that what's going on in politics has nothing to do with the average citizen. This is the camp tonight at Walmart, the evening before taking the 8 a.m. ferry from Washington State across the Strait of Juan de Fuca to Vancouver Island, Victoria, BC, to do some sea kayaking of the outer coast. It's wild and remote and rugged, beautiful coastline. And looking forward to taking you guys on the journey. As far as Walmarts go, this one is pretty tranquil. I have friends up there in Canada. You know, I haven't met them yet, but you start talking to people, you meet them, and you end up making friends. And I promise I'll do my best not to make us look bad. Look at these ancient trees. Oh my goodness. Wow. I just love the wild coastline. Northern Vancouver Island. Pretty fucking empty. I love that. There's wolf at the bottom, and the tail of orca, and the head of orca, and then raven at the top. I don't know where I'm going, but I'm definitely not standing still in indecision. You are braver than you know. You're capable and you're ready. You're more resilient and more brilliant than you have yet discovered.